2022 Lexus GX 460, Report, Specs, Price. Recently leaked details potentially reveal all models from Toyota and Lexus until 2024. The validity of the report is still unconfirmed and we should take it with a dose of skepticism. The report suggests that all new Toyota Sequoia and 4Runner should debut for the 2023 season. The redesigned, mid-size Tacoma pickup truck should come as the 2024 version. According to the report, Lexus should also wait until the 2023 model year to introduce the all-new RX, NX, and GX models. The brand will also launch a new LQ flagship SUV model sometime around 2022. If the report turns out to be true, the 2022 Lexus GX 460 should remain in the same generation for another model year. The 3-row, mid-size GX 460 has been in the current generation since the beginning of the previous decade and the report doesn't premise significant changes for the 2022 model year either. The 2022 version should return with the same appearance and in-cab design as well as with the familiar powertrain. The model should go on sale with some changes in the equipment availability and eventually with a new special edition version. 2022 Lexus GX 460, Design. The current Lexus is one of the oldest designs in the SUV segment and that shouldn't change for the 2022 season. The model received a new spindle grille and headlights for the 2020 market year. The GX 460 will wait for the 2023 model year for the full redesign while the 2022 Lexus GX 460 should return with the same outfit with just several new options and eventually with the uniquely styled special edition version. The LX 460 returns with the aging and upright design. The model shares the underpinning with the hardcore Toyota 4Runner that should also come all new as the 2023 version. The midsize LX 460 SUV has a dominating spindle grille mixed with the sharp headlights with L-shaped accents. The oversculpted corners and upright profile define also the model's aging styling. The rear features also a bit outdated design with an upright tailgate and boxy tail lights. Interior, equipment. The cabin of the next 2022 Lexus GX 460 should also return with no significant changes. The model has a dated-looking cabin but it is functional and treated with high-quality materials. The driving position is good and there is a good amount of room in the first 2 rows. The 3rd row is adequate for kids. The cargo room is up 64.7 cubic feet. At the equipment level, the base version will offer a full suite of active safety tech including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert and forward collision mitigation. The base level version includes also simulated leather upholstery, keyless entry and ignition, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 4 USB ports and more. The mid-range GX 460 adds heated and ventilated front seats, 3-zone climate control, navigation, parking sensors, etc. The top-grade model gets upgraded leather upholstery, heated and wood-trimmed steering wheel, self-leveling adaptive air suspension, etc. Options include surround view cameras, off-road package, etc. 2022 Lexus GX 460, Performance. The 2022 Lexus GX 460 will continue to employ a mighty but thirsty 4.6-liter V8 engine. The model has 301 HP and 329 lb-ft of torque at disposal. The power is routed through a 6-speed automatic transmission to the standard all-wheel drive. The model can tow up to 500 pounds. The fuel economy will remain around 15 mpg city, 19 highway, and 16 combined. The off-road package will also be at the disposal with transmission oil cooler, fuel tank protection, selectable off-ride modes and crawl control for better off-road performance. The new generation GX 460 will switch to the upgraded, lightweight platform and introduce a new twin-turbo V6 engine. There will also be a new transmission system. The model should also get an electrified powertrain option. Some reports suggest a possible introduction of the high-performance model. 2022 Lexus GX 460, Release, Price. The 2022 Lexus GX 460 should again start at about $53,000 and go to the mid-$60,000 with most equipment loaded. The on-sale date should be in late 2021. The new generation version should appear sometime in 2022, while we should see the prototype version in the first half of 2022. The mid-size, luxury Lexus GX 460 is an alternative to the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Range Rover Velar and Land Rover Discovery.